Hello everyone! On this tutorial, I'm going to show you my idea to make the wedding welcome sign. Let's open the software. I use Photoshop. You can use any software you like. And then let's design our welcome sign. Actually, I'm not good at the design and software work, so I just show you the procedure fastly. Okay, then let's check our design. And if we satisfied with our design, we can pass to the factory for the printing. Okay, the sign was printing out. Let's check the effect. Look, the come out is good. Let's check the quality. I use this artificial cotton. The advantage of this material is it will not easy to wrinkle and easy to stick on the ball. Okay then, take a KD ball and stick the side on the ball with some grip or double face tape. Since I'm making the sample, so I will not use a lot of tape. But if you are using this idea for your event, use more stick or group to make it firmly will be better. Okay, really easy to stick them together. Okay, then we need to make a frame for the side. Take another kitty ball. Cut out some little piece. Okay, I got several small pieces. And then let's stick them on the side. Really easy. Using some hot glue will be better. But since I will use this ball for other project, so I don't use hot glue. Instead, I will use this 3M double face tape. Stick on the ball. Okay, look, completed with the frame. It looks like a box. I stain up the frame and then put some hot glue on the side. Put on the follow foam. Then the following, I will show you several designs by using different material like this baby breath or our leaf, different leaves and the flowers, the leaf. Okay, now let's check them one by one. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. Do you like it? Let's zoom in for the detail. Look, you can change any leaf you have and the flower you have will be okay. You don't have to buy all the flowers material from me. Or you can use the real flower or real leaf. For the foam stick on the foam ball, I recommend to drill a hole on the ball and tie with the string. That will be firmly. For this idea, I will keep the greenery, but remove the white flowers. and then replace with this flower and other pink flowers. Okay, let's check the effect. How about this one? You can use any flowers you have to make the decoration. Let's zoom in for the detail. Of course, if you are interested for our material, the flowers and leaf, you can inbox me via Facebook page for the quotation. You can find the link to my Facebook page from the information field below the video. Okay, for this idea, I will use this baby bread. I'm not sure if I have enough flower to make the design, but anyway, let's try. Obviously, the baby thread not enough, so I will use this white hydrangea to pack. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. How's this idea? In fact, we can make it pretty if we use more flowers, baby thread, to make it much more fluffy to cover this place. The come out will be much more pretty. But since I do not have enough flowers on hand, so okay, let's zoom in for the detail. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Please support by thumb up, share, and comment on the video. Thank you for your watching. Bye.